Come on, in here. Oh, under the butter. Get in here. Oh, look. Look at that. That is proper quality. Scottish chicken liver patty made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing Scottish chicken liver patty. One of my recipes, and we're combining a few ingredients to make a unique Scottish chicken liver patty, and it is absolutely outstanding. So in our chicken livers then, everybody says they're using prepared chicken livers, but if you don't know how to prepare a chicken liver, you have to buy it prepared. A chicken liver comes in two bits like that, look, and it's got this connective tissue in the middle there. Now we don't want that, but the best way to do is with a pair of scissors. So come in with a pair of scissors like that, and we don't want any of this guns here, so just take that out with the scissors. Now it's too fiddly to do with a knife, so don't even attempt it. Get a pair of scissors, it's so simple. So again, we don't want that, so in there, and we'll take that out. Okay, job done. So that's very straightforward and simple. You know how to do it now. If you have to buy chicken livers, put that to one side. This would not be Scottish without oats. Get a flame on. Pinhead oats, anything like that. I'm using rolled oats in there. We want a bit of a toasting on there. Going to get that oats toasted with a lovely toasty flavour, and keep your bowl. We've got to put those back in there. So don't burn them, but get them a toasting. That's added flavour. Now, like I say, I'm sure there are variations of this that people make. This is my Scottish pâté recipe. So if you like it, don't forget, share with your friends, big thumbs up, all that carry on. Now you don't have to have the flame so high to toast, just watch what you're doing. And they don't have to be perfectly brown all over. Just get some toasting on there, you know. That's good enough. We're going to take those out and put back in the bowl. There you go, beautiful, beautiful toasted oat. In the pan, a little bit of butter. So in with our onions, in with the garlic, and just a nice little cooking on there. In with some salt, salt to taste, in with black pepper, little working in there. Now there's no rush on this, it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to saute those onions. Just cook that rawness out, nice and gently. Okay, and when you've sauteed them down, in with our liver. Straight in, and then turn up the flame. Turn up the flame and start cooking your liver. If you get a little bit of colour on there, that's absolutely fantastic. If you don't get any colour, don't worry about it, you know. Okay, so we want to be making this Scottish. We want to be going in there with a good couple of tablespoons of whiskey. Now you can flambe it if you so wish, or you can let it cook off gently in there like that. The choice is yours. Oh, fabulous. And we want to be going in there with just a little bit of nutmeg. Give it a little stir in. It smells absolutely amazing. Right, give it a little cooking down and cook off some of that liquid in there. So there we go, moisture cooked off, down to the buttery mix at the bottom. Livers are still pink. That is perfectly cooked. That is flame off. Nice and steady, we're going to blend it. Now I've got one of these chopper things here, look, with all these blades in. So what we need to do is get our chicken liver mix in there. Got that in there, look. In with some butter. Butter in here, it is a pâté. Now we want a little drizzle of cream in there. Now we're going to be a sneaky one, and we are going in there with just a little, probably about a teaspoon of our Scotch whiskey. We're going to add our oats and we're going to blend. Ready? Go. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. In there with just a little bit more butter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. And just get that in there. Lid on. And then we're just going to take some fresh thyme and we're just going to put the thyme leaves in there. Now I don't cook with thyme, fresh thyme leaves in my dish. I like to sprinkle in because it's still going to impart the flavour inside there, but it's a bit fresher. Okay, let's have that in there. In fact, we'll just blend it in, eh? Let's chuck that in. So we're just going to go back on with that. We're just going to blend that little bit of thyme in the top of there. Just for easiness. So quick, so easy, job done. So just take our pâté and fill our container. And you can see on there, look, we got those oats, you can see them. A lot of liquidized in there, but we've still got a little bit of texture. Oh, fabulous. Just smooth out your pâté on top of there. Oh, come on. So there we have a fantastic tub full of Scottish pâté. Scottish chicken liver pâté. My recipe looks absolutely fantastic. I'm sure there's people make variations of it in their own way. What we're going to do now is melt some butter, just melt some butter and drizzle it over the top and seal it in. Then it's going in the fridge, completely cool for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, we're going to slap it on some toast and give it a taste test. That looks fantastic. Come on, in here. Oh, under the butter. Get in here. Oh, look. Look at that. That is proper quality. Just look at that. Scottish chicken liver patty made. Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells fantastic. Absolutely smells fantastic. Come on. Oh, sensational. Oh, that is absolutely sensational. You know, the flavour profile is superb. We know it's got the oats in there, it's got the Scotch whiskey in there. Everything else is exactly the same as a chicken liver patty. Oh, it's through the roof. It's superb. It's top of the charts. We know it's healthy. It's got the oats in there. Mind you, healthy is all in the mind because it's full of butter as well. That is absolutely superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them all about the Scottish chicken liver patty. My recipe, but I'm sure someone else has tried it along the way. And it really does work. It's superb. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.